Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what's wrong. Note blur, halos, or pain so you know what to target. Once done, put on corrective lenses if you use them and dim harsh lights to reduce glare. Make sure to wash your hands, then perform 2 basic exercises, 10 slow blinks and 5 minutes of near-far focus. Hold 20-30 cm, then switch to 3-4 m. These first steps relieve strain and give you a clear baseline for the next, deeper work. You now move into the sustained work that changes function over weeks. Start a 20-20-20 routine during screen use to reduce accommodative fatigue. You do this every 20 minutes. Also adjust your diet. Add foods high in vitamin A and omega-3 to support retinal health. Then practice controlled eye movement drills. Track a finger slowly, then expand to peripheral awareness to retrain coordination. Make sure to keep sessions short and consistent. This repetition builds strength and neural efficiency. You finish by consolidating gains and setting a monitoring habit. Log symptoms and performance weekly so you can adjust intensity. Once done, schedule a professional eye exam if improvements plateau or if you experience sudden pain, flashes, or vision loss. Those signs need urgent attention. If mild strain persists, make sure to reduce screen hours, reevaluate your prescription, and control indoor humidity to prevent dry eyes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.